I can't beat it. Freaking saw blades! I hate you, saw blades. Limbo. You know what that means. Come on, guess. I know you can do it. Come on, you can do it. Limbo. We're playing Limbo. We're back with Limbo. More Limbo, 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 Limbo. Okay, let's do it. I just love saying Limbo, Limbo, Limbo. So the last time you were here, we came to this. We came on this glass roof. It cracked. It scared the crap out of me. Not literally, thankfully. And then I got to this ladder. So this is where I left us, at this ladder. Which is now going backwards. Okay. I think I better get on the other side of this. I don't want it to crash into me. Can I... Alright, that didn't do anything. Maybe I'm supposed to ride it down. Oh no, I lost my ride. There we go. Get up! Get up on it! Idiot! Pull it back. Get on the ladder. There you go. What the heck am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to do this? Hold up. Okay, no. What am I supposed to do here? Get back up on the ladder. No! I don't understand what I'm supposed to do here. I'm trying to figure this out. Okay. Wait a minute. Is there something up here? Okay, I see it. We had to crack the glass. I got it. Get on that. Climb up it. I don't know what I'm doing. It's rope. It's going down. Oh, I let go. Oh, okay. I thought I was dead right there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. They need to work on their stuff here. I could have been killed right there. Can I grab that rope? Can I grab this thing and pull it? No. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. No, I don't know. Hang on. What's over here? Oh no. Dang it, I hate these things. First off, they're disgusting. Second off, they just suck. Jump off this, get into the light. Okay, there we go. Now we're turned back the right way. Run, run, run. Jump, run, run, run. Jump, run. I don't know why we're jumping, but we're jumping. Jump, run. Run, keep running. I don't know why we're running. I don't know where we're going with this thing in my head. I don't even know what this thing is. It's like some kind of bug. Ugh. Okay. What the heck? Okay, I turned it to go up. But where's one of them thingers? The eater thingy, mabobber thinger goobers. Because I could really use it right now. I'm going to miss that jump. Yep. Bye-bye, Shadow Guy. So we're running along with this thingy wiggling in my head. Not that that sounds dirty or anything at all. Okay, there was a handle there. Remember that. Jump. Come on, is there any bugs around here? What the? Oh, there's a switch there. Oh no, not a saw blade! Freaking saw blades, man! I can't beat it. Freaking saw blades! I hate you, saw blades! Alright, I gotta hit the switch. Okay, we have to hit the switch. And the box has to drop. So we gotta go slow. We gotta go slow enough that we can get onto the box. That has to be what it is. Drop the box, damn it! Drop it! Oh, I got my leg, dang it! Try this again. We gotta wait till it's almost on the box. Okay. Drop the box. Come on, hurry up. Drop the box. Drop the box. Drop the box. Hurry! Yes! Yes! Eat this thing! Yes, thank you! Oh, that thing is coming back. Is there anything down here? There's death down there. That's what's down there. There's death. There's nothing but death. And I fell into the saw blade again. I missed it. Oh, I missed my chance. I hate saw blades. Have I mentioned that? Have I mentioned how much I hate saw blades? I can't have it go. Okay. Alright. That's just jacked up. Jump! Yes, run, run, run! There you go. Okay, you're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. I hate saw blades! Oh, come on. I gotta tilt this thing all the way up. I can't make that jump. How am I supposed to make that jump? How? How am I supposed to make that jump? Can I climb up this? No, I can't. Do I gotta go back and forth between the two sides? That's what I have to do. Teeter-totter. That should be good, that should be good. Make it. Oh, I didn't make it. Oh, this level, guys, this level. I knocked out my earphone. Teeter-totter, teeter-totter, let's ride on the teeter-totter. Teeter-totter, teeter-totter, let's ride on the teeter-totter. Teeter-totter, teeter-totter, let's ride on the teeter-totter. Teeter-totter, Okay, I'm tired because that's getting annoying. Jump! Yes! Okay, can we... Didn't make it far enough. Come on. Made it close enough. No, it didn't. Okay, wait for it to go back one more time. Come on. Made it. Yes. Okay, now get back up this stupid slippery pipe. You know what I mean. Don't take it dirty, dang it. Okay, it's pulling the thing up. I can ride it up, okay. Whoa. Dang it. Pull it back up, dang it. Okay, we got it over here. I'm not exactly sure what we're doing with it, though, but okay. Was there a point to that? Okay, I see a switch here. Okay, I see a rope coming down that I can't get to. Okay. All right. Okay. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm trying to do here, but I think maybe I have to break this off somehow. No? Okay. What am I supposed to... Did I miss something over here? There's a box over here. Maybe I need to go up this. Let's see. No? Doesn't look like it. Wait a minute, this is where I was before, remember? There was that sign over here. And that rope. But I didn't see anything else over here, I don't think. Except for this arrow. No? Nope. Don't see a damn other thing. Okay. I'm confused, so we're going to stop here, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching this episode of Mumbles and Limbo and nonsense, and wow, that was confusing as hell. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, hit that subscribe button if you don't mind, and yeah, hit the like button, do all that stuff. Keep being awesome like you all are. Each and every one of you is amazing, and yeah, this is going to be Mumbles signing off. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.